Good morning. Today I'm going to be touring this Flagstaff Lite over here. I think it's raining a little bit, which is actually nice because it's like 90 degrees. I know my microphone is not supposed to go here, but I got it mounted on the hat like Sam Sulek because I don't want to stretch the collar on my shirts anymore. And I've already ruined like 3 of these. Enough yapping though, let's get a good look at this camper, shall we? This is a 2024 Flagstaff Lite 25 FKBS, and this is a perfect mid-size camper for 1 to 2 people. This 25-foot 11-inch camper gotta be one of my favorite couples coaches on the lot. This honker is currently on sale for $37,597 bones, and qualified buyers can finance for as low as 304 bones a month. Here is your floor plan, all those good numbers you're gonna want to know if you buy this camper. Let's peep some of the features of this bad boy. Up front in all these Flagstaffs, we got the automotive glass-fronted windshield. Great views out of those bad boys. Down below, we got 2 30-pound LP tanks. Power jack here, a little light on that, John. We also got power stabilizer jacks down below. Stop the rocking when the boots are knocking. See our switch to extend those is right here. Super easy to do. You just hold that down. This camper comes equipped with 2 outdoor speakers. We got a 19-foot underlit awning out here. 2 entrances. Rear is your bedroom. Front goes into your kitchen. Between your 2 entrances, you see you got a rail here. On here, you can mount up an outdoor table. You can also mount up an outdoor griddle. You got another one of those rails in the back, so mount one there, one here. And then right here in the middle, you got outdoor outlets. You got a TV hookup. Working around the back side of this honker, you see we're equipped with our spare tire encased in this hard shell. Up above, you have a mount for a backup camera. It is not installed yet. I know it's a bummer. It's going to cost you a couple extra dollars, but that'll save you from smashing into stuff when you're backing in for the first time. Frameless tinted windows all around this thing. Ladder to the fully walkable roof. Up there you got 200 watts of solar. Continuing around this end of the camper, right here we got some storage. In here you're gonna find your 30 amp power cord. We got a crank to manually crank your slides in case your power's not working. Over here is that outdoor table that you can mount up on the other side. To the left, this is where we plug in our power supply. Up above that we got water connection, cable satellite connection, tank flush. Right next door we got that outdoor shower hookup, outdoor hose. And then in the middle we got, this seems like a joke, water pump and filter access. Doesn't seem super accessible to me. That's a little questionable to me. Up front, we have some more storage. Ooh, look at that. I promise the storage area is actually bigger than it looks. About the perfect size to use as a guest room for your in-laws. You can see I clearly fit in here quite well. So I can stand up straight. I think you could fit 2 in here for a guest room. I think we could fit 2 people in there comfortably. It's a pretty good sized space. We are in the middle of a massive heat wave in the Midwest right now, so I'm gonna get the heck in here into this nice AC. Oh, wowie zowie. Not only is this a beautiful camper, but I am crispy cool. I'm actually very relieved to be in the camper now. We got the AC cranking. That heat wave has been kicking my ass this week, so it is really nice to be able to shoot in the AC. Huge thanks to Hank and the service boys for plugging this thing in for me so I'm not dying of a heat stroke while I'm shooting out here. We can start off at the very rear in the bedroom. Queen bed back here, reading lights up top. These reading lights do swivel around. They are equipped with USB ports, and then above them we have some nice little storage areas. If we reach down below here on our bed, we will find a handle. Lift up on that bad boy, you got some hydraulics that'll actually access that outdoor storage we were looking at earlier. 2 big old beefy drawers in this thing. A lot of space for a lot of goodies in here. We have 2 more of those drawers directly across from the bed. Right above those suckers, we got a nice big wide open wardrobe area. Some sliding mirrors in front of it here. Great for watching you and your partner sleep together. Next to our wardrobe, you see we got our second entrance here. Nice little private exit outside if you don't want to go through the living area. Right by that door here is your 30 amp solar controller. And then all the way below here at the bottom, we got our fuse box. Our toilet down here, porcelain foot flush toilet. Pretty good toilet, works in both directions. We also have some storage here. We got a vanity here, as Trent Miller would say. Most bathrooms have that. This one's actually a double vanity, so we got a ton of space in here. Space for you, space for me. And then we got a corner shower here. I'm not a huge fan of corner showers, but they get the job done. This one ain't too bad. It's got a nice big skylight. Enjoy the sun while you're in the shower. And then you'll notice on your faucet here, you have this contraption. This is the Shower Miser water saving system. Basically, that'll redirect unused water back into the fresh tank to not only save you water, but also hot water. Moving on, this is a pass-through bathroom, so you do have to pass through the bathroom to get from the living area to the bedroom. We got a middle living area, and then we got a front kitchen. But we'll start in the living area here. Right up on the wall, you got your thermostat. You see we got the AC cranking right now because it's hot as frick. We do have heat as well, though, if it gets cold in here. Over here, we got dual theater recliners. You see swivel trays here. These are dual axis swivel trays. Very fun, very cool. Cup holders in each of these. Right in between, you got a wireless charger. You got some storage. If you're cuddlers, you can remove this thing and squeeze these two together. Across from the recliners, we have a 32-inch smart TV equipped with Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney, and then right below that you got your glass fronted electric fireplace. That bad boy will kick out a ton of heat to keep you super cozy in the winter. Finally, moving up to the front kitchen, it's what the camper's named after. Here's that beautiful automotive windshield, fantastic view potential out of that bad Jackson. Real good amount of countertop space up here. 3-burner gas stove, oven right below that, and then above you got your stainless steel microwave. Kitchen storage ain't bad either. We got a few of these fellas up top. Couple of these fellas off to the side here. 4 of these guys. Good space under the sink too, that ain't bad. Lastly, we got the refrigerator. This thing will open from over here. It'll also open from over here. I think that's pretty fun. Oh, can't forget, in our fridge we got a bottled water quality water filter. TV mount. I don't know why it's in the fridge, but this is a TV mount. Forest River spatula here, bottle opener on the other end. That alone might make it worth it, people. What do we got here? We got the tire pressure monitoring system. It's got a touch screen, magnetic mount. Looks like we got more in the drawer here. Little ice tray, how cute. Let's pop that in the freezer here. Looks like we got an LP connect in here. And then there's your hose hookup for outside. That outdoor hose hookup that was mentioned earlier, this guy will attach right to that. Super handy if you're camping at the beach, washing the sand off, washing the mud off the dog's paws. Thought I was done for a second, but I don't think I mentioned your whole control panel is right here by the door, as well as your fire extinguisher. But up here you can monitor your tank levels, control your awnings, your slides, water heaters, water pump, Bluetooth connection, all that good stuff. And then across from that, you got a nice closet / pantry area, whatever you want to use it for. The shelves are removable, and then we got hooks in the back if we just want to use that as a nice big coat closet. And then right here you see we got these mounts and a box. Inside this box is that nice griddle I was talking about earlier. These will mount it up on the rail outside. That along with the TV mount and the outdoor speakers makes this a super good option for tailgates. All in all, this thing truly is the bee's knees. I'm personally a big fan. If you got any questions on this thing, feel free to drop them in the comments. Give us a call. Phone number is right here. Website is right here. 4500 East Apple Avenue, Muskegon, Michigan. Hit us up for a camper.